Okay, so in this video we're gonna unbox Tanjiro blade, and yeah, let's just start it. So I'm gonna unbox the blade now. So this is the blade itself, and yeah, so the quality for this is good. And it's so cheap anyway. It's like $30 cosplay costume that you can buy on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link on this one. And yeah, so this is the blade itself. And the blade is kinda, how you gonna say, the design on here, it's like typical design on any katana like this. The grip itself, it's kind of remind me on Zoro's sword, Wado Ichimonji. It's like the same on Wado Ichimonji, but it's black version, but it's different on here. And yeah, so this is the unboxing video for this blade. I'm gonna put all of the link on the description so you can check this out. And yeah, see you next video.